I'm gonna need a little bit more than 10 minutes. All right, we're doing a custom computer build. This is the first time I'm gonna build in this case, so I'm actually gonna do like a mini review of this case, and then after I do this little mini review, we're gonna try and speed build. I have been wanting to build in this case ever since I saw this case announced, and I am super duper excited. Like, just because I absolutely love the look of this case. So after we go through and look at this case and see all the features and stuff that it has, then we'll get into the build, and we can have someone start a timer, and then we'll see what I end up doing. This is the Fractal North, and I have been wanting to do a build in this case, and this guy was the first person I was able to convince to actually do a build in this, because it's a little bit more expensive than like your regular everyday cases for a couple reasons. Oh, I love the gold accents. All right, let's take a look. So the big selling feature to this case is front is actually wood. It is removable, and it's not like it's faux wood. This is real wood. So when it comes time to clean this, you're going to want to take this off, and you want to clean it with Pledge. So we have two front fans, which are going to stay there because our radiator is going to go up top. Yeah, this is quite nice. There's an integrated, just like a magnetic. Actually, it's not even magnetic. Just a pressure fit in there. Just an integrated little mesh screen on that. Back in here. I like there's nice little gold accents everywhere, like the power button up top. The feet have little gold rings around them. The entire side of this is mesh, and man, these screws are on here tight. And kind of what Tech in my chat is mentioning, there are two sides for this. There is a full mesh, and then there's a full glass. Actually, do they still offer the glass? I don't think they do. I think it's just the mesh now. Get inside. We got plenty of space for an ATX, a micro, and a mini ITX. Our power supply is going to go down here. We have a nice little angled bit over here. There's two different levels between here and here. There's about a ½ inch, or about maybe a 2 or 3 mil height difference. Let me actually tell you. So we are at, it's about an 8 mil difference. Nice mesh panels on the back. We have a pull tab that's leather. We got a nice leather pull tab up here for taking this top off, which this is where our radiator is going to go. We have a, like, it's clearly marked. We got a 120 and a 140, so we're going to be putting the 120. Oh, okay, cool. I thought they had discontinued that for some reason. And let's take a look at the back. So we got plenty of room for cable management back here. We have a little fan control board at the top. At the bottom, we have space for two 3.5 inch hard drives, your standard desktop drives. And we have a little accessory box. Oof. I just pulled the sheathing off of that. As far as cables, we have, I'm assuming this cable's coming off of this, so all the fans can be controlled by the motherboard. You have your regular USB 3, USB-C. This is your front audio header. We have 2 more fan cables. Oh, so they just plug into that. Interesting. And then we have fan extensions. So that's what's there. So that's the case proper. Let's see what's in the small accessory box. Hey, this, more companies need to do this. This is actually awesome. So let's go here. On the box, it tells you what screws are for what. So we have mounting screws, power supply screw, motherboard standoff, the drive screw, hard drive damper, and it comes with cable ties. More companies need to do that. Like it would hurt my business because the number of people that do these builds incorrectly. But like, that's nice. Hello. Be right up there. All right, give me 2 seconds and we'll take a look at this. All right, back at it. All right, what's in this accessory box? More than likely, there's going to be some brackets. Yeah, there's a bracket in here. This is the bracket for the 140. So if you want to run a 140 radiator at the top, that's what this is for. The other one is set up for a 120. All right, so that's what comes in the box. That's what's in the box. Keep this out because we're going to need that. Yeah, this is awesome. There. Let's take a look in the book. All right. Red. Faulty product. Not going to need that. So 12 is the fan bracket. Where would that go? That's what I'm confused about. Fractal always has super awesome, clearly defined guides. Look at that. They tell you how to build a computer in whatever order you want. Oh, so that bracket actually can go on the front of the case. Interesting. Yeah, if we had like a batch of extra fans to put in there, I would 100% put that in there. Cool. All right. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.